Welcome to My Mazda, the essential app for Mazda owners. The registration process is quick and easy. Simply sign up with your email address and password. For an effortless login, the app will recognize returning My Mazda users. Tap on your name in the menu and update your details, or select how you'd like Mazda to contact you in the profile settings. After entering the app, your car will appear in the dashboard. You can view your full service history online, and you can opt in to receive a push notification reminder when your next service is due. All messages are stored in the notifications inbox, giving you an overview of all past service reminders and any related work reminders. In the My Car section, you can see more details about your Mazda, tips on how to care for your car, and view how-to video guides. Contacting roadside assistance from the app is quick and easy. No matter where you are, you'll be connected to the Mazda service hotline, and the app will show your coordinates so the roadside assistance team can pinpoint your exact location. In the dealer section, you can select your sales dealer or find the dealerships nearest your location. Contact them directly from the app and plan your route. My Mazda. Everything about your Mazda in one place.